Good day everyone! Welcome back to my channel. For today's lesson, we are going to discuss the 4 fundamental operation or the 4 basic operation in mathematics. We have here addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Ano nga ba ang pagkakaiba ng apat na ito? When we speak of addition, it means finding the total by combining 2 or more numbers. Ibig sabihin, pagsasamahin natin ang dalawa o higit pang numero. Addition is signified by a plus symbol or a plus sign. Meron po tayong dapat malaman na mga terms sa addition. Like for instance, addends. Ano ba yung addends? In the equation 4 plus 3 equals 7, 4 and 3 are what we call the addends. Addends are numbers that we add. Ano naman ang tawag sa 7? 7 is the sum. And sum is the answer in addition. Am I clear? I hope I am. Because right after my discussion, I am going to give you a short quiz. Now let's move on to subtraction. What is subtraction? Subtraction is the process of finding the difference between two numbers or quantities. Kung kanina sa addition tayo ay nagdagdag, sa subtraction naman, tayo naman ay magbabawas. Subtraction is signified by minus sign. Kung kanina sa addition mayroon tayong addends na pinagsasama, dito kaya sa subtraction, ano naman ang mayroon siya? Take a look at the equation 9 minus 5 equals 4. Ano ang tawag natin sa 9? Tama, minuend. Ano naman ang tawag natin sa 5? Correct. That is subtrahend. Ano naman ang tawag natin sa 4? Very good. We call that as difference. Difference is the answer in subtraction. May tanong po ba? Kung wala na po, let's move on to multiplication. Multiplication is known as repeated addition. Ibig sabihin, inuulit-ulit lamang na addition. Ano naman kaya ang mga tawag sa mga inuulit na numbers na yon? Okay, take a look at the equation 2 times 3 equals 6. What do we call 2? What do we call 3? And what do we call 6? Isa-isahin po natin siya. Simulan po natin sa 2. Ang 2 ay tinatawag na multiplicand. Ang 3 naman ay tinatawag na multiplier. Yung 2 at saka 3, ang tawag natin sa kanila ay factors. Factors are numbers that we multiply. Diba sa addition kanina, numbers that we add. Kaya nga sinasabi ko kanina, inuulit-ulit-ulit. Ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung paano inuulit ang numbers. 2 times 3 equals 6 is the same as 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. Ang 2 dito ay ang tinatawag natin na multiplicand. Bakit siya naging 3? Kasi 3 ang ating multiplier. Okay? Do not be confused. Multiplication is signified by a multiplication symbol, which is the X or the dot. Maliban doon, mayroon pang mga ibang ginagamit tayo. Like for instance, yung bracket, yung parenthesis, yun din yung mga symbols na ginagamit sa multiplication. Okay? Ano naman ang tawag natin sa sagot sa multiplication? Correct. Product is the answer in multiplication. May tanong pa po ba? Kung wala na po, dumiretso na tayo sa division. Ano naman kaya ang division? Division means splitting into equal parts or groups. It is signified by a division sign read as divided by. Yun bang parang minus sign na may dalawang tuldok sa taas at saka sa ilalim, then yung slash. Yun po yung mga ginagamit natin kapag tayo ay nagdi-divide ng numbers. Kung ang addition ay may addends, ang subtraction ay may minuend at subtrahend, then ang multiplication ay may factors, ano naman kaya sa division? Take a look at the equation 10 divided by 5 equals 2. What do we call 10? What do we call 5? And what do we call 2? 10 is what we call the dividend. 5 is the divisor. And 2 is the quotient. Quotient is the answer in division. Is there any question? Kung wala na po, sagutan na po natin ang susunod na mga katanungan. First, to get 3 points will get a reward from me. Good luck!